I think it would be very beneficial to quite a lot of people. If you are in marketing department, advertising, PR, IT team, because I know a lot of people would say, why would you include the IT team in a marketing course? It's basically it's because marketing is so digital nowadays that if your IT team doesn't understand where you are, what direction you're taking and why you're doing it, then it's like two opposing forces trying to work towards a single. It's not going to happen. So.
I think it's a great course that gives you an overview about digital marketing trends, and it's a good forum for professionals to come and have a discussion to keep abreast of what's the latest.
What I really love about this entire course is that it's given me a framework, like a holistic framework of what should we be doing and what have we done. So from what I've taken away from today is that we are able to analyze like what have we done in our organization in terms of content marketing and social media and all that, and from there we are able to move on to analyze what better can we do in the future.
I think it was basically the organization of some of the thoughts and ideas. There were a lot of things that was said that we more or less thought that this would be the case. But attending this course basically helped us to validate some of the ideas and then basically helped us to organize it into a working plan. So I think that's what we're going to take back to the office. It's a plan of action.
Okay, automatically in the finals. Semi-finals.
No, la tali la, and then someone will la first.
Okay, ready?
Go!